Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oskal C20 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on this show your data in this your digital well-being tools section. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, equal 25 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, then phone camera other. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So we can tap on this specific graph, inside the graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the screen time in particular days of the week, so you will be able to compare them, and under it you've got the list of apps and the specific time you've spent on them. And the second option is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings phone camera, simply tap on it, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.